So we just caught a nice one, huh? What
Yes,
did you
sir.
catch that one on?
It says Sherbert Power Bait.
What's your name?
Zachary Fink.
Oh, okay. What is your favorite thing about fishing?
Just to be in the outdoors. And, I mean, especially like today, it's nice out. You can just enjoy yourself.
You caught any yet?
No, sir.
Well, you just got here, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. And your name?
Aaron Fink.
What's your favorite thing about fishing?
I just like catching fish.
Do you keep them?
Yes, sir.
You like to eat them too?
Yes, sir.
What's your name?
Asa?
Have you caught any yet today? Is this your first time fishing?
Talk loud.
Yeah.
Do you like fishing so far?
Yeah.
What do you like best about it?
I like going fishing, going hunting.
What's your name?
Weston.
Weston. And you've been fishing this morning?
Yeah.
Did you catch any bites?
No, well, some, but I caught an algae like a lot.
What do you like best about fishing?
Catch some.
Okay, what's your name?
I'm Gabby.
And have you caught any yet today?
No, but I've had some tugs.
What is your favorite thing about fishing?
I like catching the fish. I don't know, I like it. I feel like it's rewarding.
What's your name?
Cole.
Cole. Okay. You haven't caught any yet today?
Nope.
Nope. But you like fishing?
Yes.
What's the best thing about fishing?
Catching it and eating it.